2012 GLK Class. Based on the C-Class, the GLK joins the small upscale SUV class. Its smooth 268 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 delivers quick acceleration and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, all-wheel drive, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, driver airbag, cruise control, trip computer, fog lamps, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, rear wiper, heads-up display, power heated outside mirrors, power retractable mirrors, remote window operation, rear fog light. Come see the car for yourself.